my role is to get the society to roll and get the kids to school and they have an education, and also like I'm saying what the police are gonna do and who they're gonna do, talk to us, something like that. I'm also the one who decides who gets the vaccines and stuff like that. I'm just like deciding the country, like I'm ruling the world.
The homeless, and my role is to remove the mayor from the power. And I'm together with the priests, some parents, and the teenagers.
I'm the police, and it's our job to keep the citizens safe and make sure of law and order. In the meantime, we're also the mayor's private guardians who do whatever he says.
I'm the scientist, and I had to find a cure for those people who are sick, and then I gave it to the mayor so he could give it to the most sick people. So they.
I'm the priest, and I'm against the mayor. I'm trying to take the teens and teenagers and homeless people and the two parents to God's side, and it's yes.